Welcome to Amicable Mondiale Farms, and this morning just to take you through a little about organic farming. Now, what is organic farming? Organic farming is growing your crops or your animal without any form of synthetic fertilizer or vaccine, and some of them are actually very harmful for human consumption. So in our farms, we don't make use of vaccine, we don't make use of fertilizer, the synthetic fertilizer. Rather, we employ the use of herbs, grasses, and leaves. Hi fans, welcome to Amicable Mondiale Farms. As we know, we operate on 100% organic. So today we are at our poultry farm. These broilers you see here, we are trained fully on herbs, leaves and roots. We didn't make use of any single synthetic fertilizer or vaccine or antibiotics. We created everything we used, as you can see. So this morning we are here at our organic poultry farm. Let's take a look. So this chicken, we are trained fully on herbs, leaves and roots. We didn't make use of any vaccine, and what you can see here, they grew up naturally. Even the brooding stage, at the brooding stage we used some things that helped to create internal heat in the chicken, so there was no need for charcoal or gas or whatsoever we use for the heating at the initial stage initially. Right now they are 6 weeks fully from plants. This morning we are checking them out. This, for instance, is weighing about 2.5 kg and it's just 6 weeks. So when we talk about sustainable agriculture, we talk about things that are affordable, easy, and can be placed at your backyard. You can grow it from anywhere. Looking at this chicken, this is something you can build even at your backyard. This is a simple structure that we used. So after brooding, we move them in here. And they're feeling good. They don't touch their waste. The waste falls to the ground. We sprinkle rice bran on the ground. We remove them out and use it to formulate our compost, which we use back for our production of crops. So as such, we run a zero waste farm. That is the culture we operate on. Thank you.